On this lesson, I'm going to be giving you very good tips to make your life easier when you come to use the Spanish numbers. So the first few tips I'm going to give you is about a question that I get asked a lot by students. Are Spanish numbers written using letters or using digits? So I'm going to explain to you what the rule is. So the grammar rules by the Real Academia Española. So what is it that the linguists and the experts say that must be done? Then practice may vary, as you probably know. Top tip number one, we use letters. So we spell them out. That's what it means. We use letters to write numbers that are written with one word, two words, or three-word numbers, like we've learned in the previous mini lesson, 31, between 31 and 99, all those numbers are written with three words, so they should be written, we should spell them out when we write them down. And also non-technical texts. So think of an email or think of a text message or a letter. So they will be written out. The numbers will be spelled out. Top tip number two, we use digits. So the actual number when the numbers are longer. So when they have four words, when we need four words to say them, to tell the number, numbers with decimals like 1.5 children per family, or percentages that are higher than 10. Otherwise, you would just write the word. And then also for technical texts. So think of statistics, for example, or a paper written by a scientist, or a translation, a professional translation. So all those you will be using digits to write. And the reason for that is because the numbers are longer, and digits provide more precision than letters when we write them out. So as I said, these are the rules. Then in practical terms, or in the day-to-day, you may see different forms and different ways that people use numbers in Spanish.